Hey there, young explorers. Did you ever pause to wonder about the magic lurking in the minuscule details of life? Get ready, because we're diving into the enchanting world of strawberries. Those succulent, red treasures that delight your palate all begin as tiny seeds, easily overlooked. Imagine, every strawberry starts from a little seed, carrying the potential to grow into the juicy berries we adore. What unfolds after the seed is nestled into the soil? From a miniature speck, how does it evolve into a fruit laden with sweetness? It all kicks off with a bit of soil, a dash of water, and plenty of love. As we explore further, we uncover that planting the seed kicks off an awe-inspiring journey. With the ideal blend of sunshine, water, and attention, something miraculous happens. This journey is not just about the growth of the strawberry, but also about our expanding curiosity and wonder, leading us from the humble beginnings of a tiny seed to the cheerful moment of harvesting its fruits. Welcome back, our curious adventurers. Delving deeper into how our diminutive seed morphs into a luscious strawberry, we witness a natural marvel. As it basks in the sunlight and quenches its thirst, the seedling sprouts tender leaves, aspiring to touch the sky. Following this, as if by some enchantment, beautiful flowers emerge, heralding the onset of something extraordinary. And indeed, these flowers undergo a miraculous transformation, becoming the sweet, red strawberries we cherish. This growth saga is not merely about height, it's about flourishing. Utilizing sunlight and moisture, our strawberry plants concoct the delightful flavors we relish. A tiny seed, with a touch of nurture from the elements, sprouts into a generous strawberry plant, laden not with one, but scores of delectable strawberries. It's a testament to turning the implausible into tangible reality, charting a course from a simple seed to a bounty of nutrition and taste. As we journey on, our exploration will unveil even more wonders about strawberries, from their health benefits to intriguing trivia. Prepare to be amazed, for the realm of strawberries holds boundless secrets awaiting our discovery. As our delightful exploration into the strawberries realm nears its end, let's cherish the most flavorful facts and nutritional benefits that crown strawberries as a supreme snack. Beyond their tantalizing taste, strawberries are fortified with essential nutrients. Picture a snack that not only satisfies your cravings, but also enhances your well-being, with vitamin C, manganese, and a plethora of antioxidants. And yes, strawberries proudly bear over 200 seeds on their vibrant exterior, each aspiring for a chance to bloom into new life. Their marvels extend further, offering virtues for heart health alongside managing blood sugar levels and reducing inflammation. Every bite of this splendid fruit not just enraptures your taste buds, but also nudges you towards a healthier lifestyle. How splendid is that? Next time you indulge in strawberries, remember, you're not only enjoying a delightful treat, you're diving into a world rich in nutrition and fascinating facts. Strawberries, with their unique allure and health perks, serve as a reminder of the joy found in nourishing our bodies, blending the essence of fun with the virtues of health seamlessly.